Suddenly a kind voice said, "Where have you come from, little one?" So suddenly a kind voice said, means a kind woman said Ellie that from where Ellie had come from. It was a kind lady. She stroked Ellie's trunk. She took Ellie home with her. So she held the long nose of the elephant Ellie, and she took Ellie home with her. She dressed Ellie in nice clothes and taught her to read and write. One day Ellie decided to go back to the forest and meet her friends. When her friends saw her looking so smart, they made her the queen. They made her the queen of the forest when Ellie's friends saw Ellie so smart. Ellie taught the animals how people lived in the cities. She ruled wisely for many years. She never forgot the kind lady who had looked after her and taught her so much. She always remembered the kind lady who had looked after her and taught her.